One, this is a guide for manual tester to become automation tester. So I have got multiple responses and messages in my inbox via LinkedIn, via my YouTube channel, and via my Facebook page that we are manual testers, but we want to be a automation tester. Can you please guide us? Okay, so I can tell you simply, if you are learning any particular tool directly, if you go to Selenium tool and start learning, watching Selenium videos, or you start watching Appium videos, you will not be able to become automation tester. It has to be a step by step process, and for that I have come up with this particular course which can help anyone, any manual tester who does not have coding background or who has a basics of coding background can learn automation testing with this course. If you are a fresher or you have a career gap and you are looking for jobs in testing and automation testing, this will be the guide which you can follow and become complete automation testing. So I will go step by step and tell you how I have designed it, so that even if you learn one tool today and tomorrow if another automation tool comes up, like you learn Selenium but tomorrow you want to learn Cypress, so you will be able to adapt to that if you go step by step. But if you directly learn only Selenium, then definitely you will be restricted to that tool. Okay, so if you become a automation tester via this way, you will have your base and you can learn any of automation tool tomorrow in any programming language. Okay, so let us see how this is working. So how to start with automation? First, to start with automation, you need coding basics. How to read a coding problem, how to analyze a coding problem, how you can create a flowchart. On the basis of flowchart, how you can write pseudocodes and how you can write simple codes. So this coding basics will help you to get your job interviews question, will help you to make stronger in logical building. So if you know how to understand a coding problem and solve it, then you in any programming language you will be able to do that, but basics should be clear. So in this course I have created in such a way that I will show you simple problems like prime numbers, simple interest, Fibonacci series. It's like simple problems, but how you analyze it, how you break it into a flowchart, pseudocode, and then final step is to write code. So learn coding basics before even starting to learn any programming languages. This is a very important step which particularly is missed out when you are becoming a manual to automation tester. So this will be the first part of this course series. Next part will be programming language basics. So in my course I will be selecting Java, but you can go for any other language if you are interested in Python or any language, JavaScript. If you want to learn Golang, you can do that, but I suggest first you have to finish the coding basics course, then go to any programming language basics. Then what will be the third part? You can pick the automation tool. So this is how you become automation tester. So once you are clear with your coding and your logical problem solving, you can move on to the programming skills. Once you have the programming skills, then learning automation tool is very simple for you, and you can select the automation tool which you want to learn. You can learn Selenium, you can learn Appium, Cypress, REST Assured. You can go into web application testing, you can go to mobile application testing, you can go to API automation, API testing automation, and this will open so many doors of opportunities for you if you learn in this manner. Okay, so you can select the automation tool of your choice and learn it. So if there is anything new in your existing learning or anything new you want to learn after you are an automation tester, and if you have the base, you will be able to crack interviews, you will be able to get a job as automation tester if you go step by step like this. So I will be dividing the course into 3 courses. First course I will be creating for coding basics, where we will solve simple coding problems. We will create flowcharts for the problems first, then we will write the pseudocode for the same problem, and then we will write a code for the same problem. This will help you to crack coding part of the interview when you are applying for automation testing jobs. Then second course I will be creating for Java basics. It will cover basics of Java programming languages, which is required to know by any automation tester. It will not cover Java in depth. You don't need to learn that at this stage. You just need to learn whatever is required before you learn your automation tool for testing. So it will cover Java basics, it will cover JUnit, it will cover TestNG, because that is what you need, right? Before you learn any automation tool, you need to learn JUnit, you need to learn TestNG, you need some very basic knowledge of Git also, how to commit your code, how to get pull the code and things like that. So this in Java basics I will share all the things which you need to know before you learn any automation tool and you want to work with Java for that. Okay. The second one, so I have separated the courses differently, because if after coding basics, if you want to learn Python, not Java, then you can go for that. So that's why I'm creating 3 different courses for that. So you don't if you don't want to learn Python also, you want to go learn Golang, so you can do that after learning coding basics. So that's why I'm dividing this course into 3 courses. Then in the automation tools section, I will be launching course for Selenium. Okay, so Selenium is a tool which is widely used. There are a lot of job openings. It is very simple to use once you know Java, and you can learn your Python also and learn Selenium with Python in that case. So you can select what direction you want to go. Okay, but in this particular complete guide of course, what I am selecting here is a Selenium. So coding basics, Java programming, and Selenium with Java. So this will cover Selenium from basics. Okay, as I'm aware, the target audience for this course is a manual tester. So it will start from very much basics level. We will cover all the functionalities and features Selenium has to offer. We will cover the framework writing part from scratch, how to reuse the framework, how to build a framework, how to mammonize a framework, how to run your test in Jenkins. All these details very much clearly and very much in step-by-step manner we will learn, so that you will be able to completely do a complete project yourself and create a complete framework from scratch by yourself. This will give you confidence to crack automation testing interviews related to Selenium and Java. So this is about the course structure. Who should join the course? So as you know, first and most important part of target is here target for audience for this course, I can say, will be the manual testers who want to move to automation tester, any fresher who is not that strong in coding and want to clear the basics of coding and move on to automation testing field and get a job in this particular field, anyone who is not from computer science or IT background and you're from electronics or any other background, but you want to learn coding and join software testing field. This is really a good field which, if you are interested in joining this, then surely this course is for you. So I'm very excited to announce this particular course. First part of the coding basis course will be announced next week, and after that Java programming course, and I will be sharing the details when the course is going to be announced and published accordingly on my LinkedIn page and on my Facebook page also. So stay connected with me on these pages if you are interested to join this course. So next week we will be starting with coding basics course. I will be publishing the course. I will be sharing the details with you. The course will be available on Udemy, and it will be in the form of recorded sessions and some practice assignments. I will be checking those assignments. If you like, you can submit your assignments to me, and I will provide you a positive or negative whatever feedback. So I will provide you a feedback where what are your weaknesses if I see that, and if you are fine to go ahead, I will provide the feedback like that. So this is about the course. I'm very excited to launch it. Please like my video so that I will come to know the people who are interested for this course, and keep in touch with me on LinkedIn and my Facebook page, so you will get the updates for this course. Thank you.